Yo, good day everyone. It's still your boy Sensible. Yeah, so this video I'm going to teach you how you can add a PLS blockchain or chain link on the Metamask and how you can transfer your PLS from OKX to Metamask. Okay, so now let's go. So what you just have to do is to download the Metamask application, which is here. This is the Metamask application. Okay, so you click on it. When you click on it, it will tell you what get started. You click on the get started. You click on get started. When you click on the get started, you click on what create new wallet. You can see create new wallet over here. You click on it. When you click on it, just scroll down and agree. Then you tick this small box over here to agree. You tick it. Then you scroll down till this thing finish. Then you click on what accept. Now it will tell you to what to put password. So now let me this one is just for tutorial. So so I'll just put in any password. Pulse 1122. Okay, they say my password is weak. Let me put so after you put in the password, you come here, you click on I understand. Then you click on what create password. Then it will be loading. After it load finish, it will come like this. You click on what start. You click on start. You still click on what start. So now they are coming to give you what a recovery phrase, which is very important. If you lose your account, that's what you will use to open it. Okay, that's what you will use to open it. So you make sure you write them down. You see, write down your secret recovery phrases. This is your secret recovery phrase. Write it down on a paper and keep it in a safe place. You will be asked to re-enter this phrase in order on the next step. So you just click on what view here. So you click on view. So all this you have to write them down. Okay, you have to write them down in order like this. How they 1, 2, 3 up to 12. You write them like that. So I'll just keep it in a screenshot. Okay, I cannot do screenshots, so I'll just use my other phone to take a picture of it. So after I write them down, I'll just click on continue. Then I'll put it in order how it is. So the first one is what nuclear. What is nuclear? Number 2, castle. Number 3, December. Number 4, fetch. Number 5, strong. Then number 12, dice. So it's been successful. So you click on complete. After I click on complete, it will come like then click on done, meaning what your account is ready. Yes. So enable automatic security check, then things no. You can just tick yes or no. So I'll just go for no. And so after it comes like this, after you finish and it comes like this, you click on what settings. You click on settings over here. As you can see it over here, you click on it. When you click on it, you bring it to this page. So you click on what? You click here where they are saying what? Networks. You click on the networks over here. You click on it. When you click on it, you click on what? Add network over here. Add network. So you click on it, add network. So when you click on it, add network, the PulseChain chain is not here, okay? So you click on what? You click on custom network over here. You click on custom network over here. You click on it. You click on it. So when you click on it, though, I will send you the details that you're supposed to fill in this space. So it will be in my description. It will be in my description so that you can use it to fill in your things, okay? So I'll just go and fill in this one. So the name, you put in PulseChain, the URL. You paste in this link. I'll leave the link in the description, so don't worry, okay? Chain ID, type in 369. Yeah, chain ID 369. So the symbol, you put in what? PLS, okay? And then block explorer, you put in this link as well. And you click on what? Add. So after you click on the add, this is how it will come. Then click on got it. So your PLS will be here. It will be showing like this, okay? This is how it will be showing. So you click on the PLS here. When you click on it, this is the current price of the PLS. So you click on what? Receive. You click on receive, okay? When you click on receive, the address will come. So this is the address you copy. So already copy is here, so you click on the copy here. It will copy the address for you. So after it copied the address, you just log into your OKX. So when you log into your OKX, you click on what? You click on assets. You click on asset over here. When you click on the assets, this is how it will come. Then you click on what? Withdraw over here. You click on withdraw. When you click on the withdraw, you click on PLS. You click on the PLS here, okay? You click on it. When you click on it, it will be on-chain, internal, whatever. So you just click on the first one, on-chain over here. On-chain, the first one over here. You click on it. Yeah. So when you click on it, you paste the address you copy from the Metamask now. You paste it over here, okay? Then the network is what? PulseChain, okay? You see that as I paste the link, the address now, the PulseChain just appear at the network section over here. You can see it over here, yeah. So you just go ahead and click on a max. You click on max, okay? When you click on max, the total amount of the PLS we are having will come here, okay? Then you click on this box over here. You click on this box over here, tick here, because I'm not having PLS currently in the OKX. That's why it's showing like this. Yeah. Then you just click on submit. then you just click on submit. Okay, when you click on submit, it will ask you for email authentication, and then the code to your number. Then you fill them in, then you transfer it to the Metamask. So after it's complete, it will just directly be showing in your Metamask. Yeah, so that's how to transfer your PLS, and also to add the PLS blockchain to your Metamask. Yeah, so it's very simple and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe. Let's get more followers and more lessons. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.